Good morning, everybody. We are here. Very nice day outside today. A little cloudy, though, so not as nice as yesterday. But we've got Dark Bro, F-I-R-S-T, first in the chat, baby, with all of the emojis. Loving it, Dark Bro. CD Wit, first like, I like it. CD Wit, what's going on? Rated Silva, how you doing? Moji, Dark Bro, CD Wit, Moji. We got Dark Bro, Peter, how you doing, Peter? Dark Bro, Mr. Brian, Peter, Dark Bro, Mr. Brian. We got Mr. Brian, Moji, Dark Bro, Mr. Brian. All of you guys, so glad to have you in here. Let's check the market out, see what's going on in the market today. AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, it is down 1.07%, sitting at $5.09. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $8.74 right now. You know, I was just thinking, as I said, $5.09. Can you guys imagine? Can you imagine when I'm saying AMC $50 per share? And, you know, AMC $50 per share back in 2021. It was excellent. AMC $50 per share post-split is going to be terrible. So I hope that I don't have to say AMC $50 per share because of a reverse split. AMC $50 per share pre-split was amazing. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $8.74 right now. GameStop sitting at $22.03. Bitcoin sitting at $27,052 at the moment. The Nasdaq is up. It's actually up on the day. 0.22% of the right now. GameStop up 1.62%. AMC down 107. Dogecoin 7.2 cents. Ethereum $1,820. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $8.74. Bitcoin sitting at $27,000. Mullen Auto is making me nervous. Mullen Auto is making me nervous. I'm telling you right now. Mullen Auto has like 2 days left before it needs to maintain compliance. It cannot fall below $1. Otherwise, it does not maintain compliance. So it is going to be very interesting to see how Mullen does. Down 4% on the day today. I am telling you, it's getting close. We've got like 1 day left before we get there. And if Mullen Auto simply ticks down a little bit further, it is going to be a nasty show for Mullen there. Sundial sitting at $1.63 in the moment. CEI $1.12. Down, we're going down. Everything keeps going down, man. The SPY $4.11. BBIG $2.37. Highcroft Mining sitting at 37 cents. Netflix $333. QQQ $3.28. We've got Ape sitting at $1.59 right now, and MPW $7.38 after touching $7.20 this morning. MPW getting hit by those higher interest rates that are out there right now. MPW is a medical facility, a real estate investment trust, and of course it has higher expenses when interest rates are higher. Pepe going, Pepe, Mr. Whale loving Pepe. We can look at Pepe in a second here. Absolutely not first. John J, it's all right, man. I promise. Shib at 509, bro. Don't be giving me a heart attack. Did I say Shib at 509 or did I say AMC at 509? Shiba Inu coin is sitting at 875. If Shiba Inu coin is at 509, everybody in here is probably a millionaire or billionaire. I learned you can't use Taco Tuesday without paying Taco John's for the rights. I'll send them for Pepe. That'll earn them. There you go, man. For Pepe, I believe that is adequate pricing right there. For Pepe. My cost basis is like 1.5 cents per. Peter, on, I don't even know. 1.5 cents per something. I don't know what we're talking about right now. Sorry if I missed it earlier in the chat, but we're catching back up right now. We got Elmo ERC, GP 2022, loving the Elmo ERC. We got Mr. Whale, loving the Pepe right now. Have you seen Elmo? It's flying. Yeah, let's check out Elmo, man. I haven't seen Elmo yet this morning, but I want to know if you guys legitimately think that it is flying right now. So let's go ahead and take a look at Elmo. We're going to go on here. Elmo. Shrooms.ai. Interesting. Shrooms is down 14%. Where's Elmo at? Come on. Don't have it at the bottom of the screen. Where's my lady? Ooh, my lady is going down. It's not good. 28% down. $73 million market cap on my lady there. Elmo ERC, ladies and gentlemen, 36%. Interesting. I don't know if 36% is necessarily flying with all of the gains that we've seen lately, but a 36% gain is very, very nice. So yesterday we did have that little dip. We watched it dip down and come back up to 2.1 cents yesterday, and now it is sitting at 2.5 cents. It is a 38% gain on the day today, and doing very nice since these lows last week. If you look at the monthly graph, you can see that Elmo has been just steadily trending higher. All right, you can basically draw a line on this chart right here. Look at this trend line. It has been following that trend line very nicely. I don't know if I'll be getting into something as small and as memey as Elmo, but I mean, guys, the next dip, like it's been loving this trend. It's been loving this very simple, slow trend for the last basically 2 weeks now. So, am I going to say that trend's going to continue? I mean, who the heck knows? But why would it turn? Why would it stop the moment that you get in? So, that a little bit of a dip right there could be a buying opportunity to play that trend higher, 3, 4, 5 cents on Elmo. See where it goes there, but yes, Elmo looking pretty good today. Let's see, where we going? I may be way off base here, but I think Mr. Whale might be invested in Pepe. Gone postal, you might be onto something. Let's see, is there going to be a Pepe burn? I thought I saw something, but not sure if that's what it said for sure. So, Bender, I don't think that Pepe is going to be burning any Pepe, but other tokens, I am sure, will be creating themselves around Pepe and in burning Pepe because of it. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. First to hydrate. Oh, and dude, that literally went in my eye. Oh, and dilly to dark brilly, baby. 9,946. Patrick, the first and probably only to hydrate. Thank you very much. So good, man. It's so good. Thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you very much for allowing me to hydrate. Thank you very much for going directly through Streamlabs. Thank you very much for everything, Patrick. My goodness, man. My goodness. Thank you very much for that. Is it bad? All we have right now is meme coins. Lonnie. Yes, but at least we have something, man. Yes, but at least we have something. Here's the thing. Meme coins are kind of like a silver lining at the moment. If we didn't have meme coins running right now, we would be left with regulation concerns. Binance literally shutting down shop in Canada. You wouldn't think that Canada would lose major exchanges, but they are. The regulatory world right now is going to be forcing cryptocurrency out of kind of these first world countries. Why? Their fiat's threatened by cryptocurrency, man. There's no other excuse for it. It's not because they care about retail investors. It's not because they don't want you to invest in something risky. It's because they know the potential that cryptocurrency has. So if we did not have meme coins running right now, it would be all doom and gloom regulatory talk, and I don't want to see that. I'm up 120%. Very nice, Mr. Whale. Good deal. What do we got? Pepe Cologne. Elmo Burns. Pepe's a joke. I don't think that Pepe is a joke, man. Come on now. Pepe went to a $1.7 billion market cap in less than a month, man. That is just my 2 cents. Shrooms down to all-time lows. Best time to jump. Guys love buying the dip, don't you? Brother, could you make a video about Milady meme coin, please? I don't know. Maybe. I might be able to highlight it in another video. I don't know if I'll do a video dedicated strictly to Milady, though. Johnny J! Thank you very much for the super chat. John J says, new super chat. I call it catching a pudgy. You know the broomstick with a horse head, arms up high, lassoing round and around, then let the rope go, catch and pull in a pudgy. What the heck? Oh, God, dude. John Jay is ridiculous, man. I know what you're talking about. Woo! Got me a pudgy! Thank you very much, John Jay, for the super chat. Absolutely. I don't know where John Jay's mind is, man. I don't know where John Jay's mind is, but I love it. John Jay got me a Pudgy this morning. Pudgy, you better be in here right now, dude. You better be in here. John Jay, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it. I don't know if Pudgy's in here or not, dude. I don't know if Pudgy's in here or not. Did I get it? Did I get it? Did I get it? Yes! Killed it. I got it. John Jay, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. I knew I could do that. The funny thing is, man, I was picturing it the whole time I was reading it. So that's what made it so easy to do. I was picturing it that whole time. John Jay, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. We need to get Pudgy in here for that one. I don't know if he's in here or not. Pudgy's probably not going to say if he's in here after seeing that one, dude. That is just saying it is done. You think Pudgy's... dude, I don't think Pepe's done yet, man. I really don't. Let's see. It's because they know crypto's scamming a lot of... Yeah, roulette wheel. I'll say this. It is. It is scamming a lot of people. But I don't think the legitimate cryptocurrencies are scamming a lot of people. I think that a lot of these meme coins, these rug pulls, basically everything on, where's my Dex tools? If you come out here to Dex tools, man, and you're looking at this, yes, then you can see a lot of scams. Number one, Gen. What is Gen? I mean, nobody's been coming in here. Huh. Why have you guys not been coming in here and spamming Gen, dude? It's number one on Dex Tools right now. $5 million market cap. $10 million over the last 24 hours. Basically $1 million in liquidity. Generational wealth. Rolling from 8 zeros. Well, 9 zeros at launch, but basically 8 zeros up to 7 zeros. Gen could be another one, ladies and gentlemen. It is the number one coin at the moment. Here's what I like about Gen, though. All right? Look at this trend line that you've got right here. This trend line has been holding up since yesterday. Not bad at all. Tapping a low, 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 tapping a low right now. You know what? We're just going to watch this. We'll pull this. Where'd it go? We'll pull this one back. Come on, stop doing that. We'll pull this one back up in a little while to see if it also bounces off this trend line right here. But it could be a decent way to double your money if you guys are trying to get into a generational wealth at the moment. Only reason I saw this is because the number one trending coin on Dex Tools at the moment. Bitcoin's trending right now too, so very interesting there. Moji! Thank you very much for the member chat. Moji throwing a green name out there. Ooh, and I love it. New photo Puto. Thank you very much, Moji, for throwing a green name out to Nufo right now. Loving all of the green names in the chat. We got Spooky Walk Sportsmith in here. We got Mr. Whale in here. Sarah Desta, 50 Shades of Croy. Correct name on that one, Sarah. Glad to have you in here right now. Mr. Brian, who is Jenna? I don't know. Is Jenna supposed to be in here? Nvidia is ripping. Well, that's probably... Doesn't Nancy... Can you even say her name on YouTube? Doesn't Pansy Nolosi have Nvidia? Isn't that why Nvidia's probably ripping? Yeah, Nvidia actually doing pretty well over the last couple of days here. Nvidia is doing very nice. Dude, Nvidia tripling since October. My goodness, man. Look at Nvidia right now. Before we come back out to Dex Tools, I'll show you all of the scams in the crypto space. Nvidia basically tripling in price since October. That is insane, man. That is insane. $100 to $300. My goodness. Attributed to AI. Yeah, dude. I attribute it to something. I know that, weren't they saying that there's a huge demand for the Nvidia graphics cards due to all of the artificial intelligence that's out there? That could be a very good reason. I haven't looked into them too much, but I did know that there was something I read a while ago about Nvidia and the graphics cards for like the AI rendering and stuff like that. So, could be it. Dude, there's no down days, man. I know that this is like a little bit of a down day, but like there's no downturn right here. This is the kind of stuff that happens in a bull market, not in a bear market. And Nvidia is loving that dip off of $1.08, man. My goodness. This is actually, like, look at Nvidia coming right down here to this major level of support that we saw in 2021 and bouncing right off of it and ripping back up. Dude, I would have loved to have tripled my money in Nvidia over the last 6 months. That would have been beautiful to see. Nonetheless, I do own, like, I don't even know. I do own a little bit of Nvidia. I don't own a lot of it, but nothing to write home about. I ain't that worried about it. Nvidia doing very well. Wish I would have owned more Nvidia is basically what I'm saying. All right, DEX tools, guys. I think it was Roulette Wheel talking about cryptocurrency and regulatory concerns out there because of all of the scammers. It is true. All right, it is true. You're looking at generational wealth right now, and it could be getting ready to bounce off this line like it has done all morning. Would be very nice to see. So we'll keep our eyes on that one, and we'll jump back into it in a second here. Now it is all the way down to number 8 on the chart here. But let's look at all of these new coins, or all of these new tokens. This is the danger of the meme coin market. Man, Jimmy's doing very well. OXB's doing very well. But here's the thing, guys. After they've been out for a half hour, look at all these 100% losses. Look at all of these rug pulls, man. Rug pull, rug pull, rug pull, rug pull. Why you gotta skip a couple? Rug pull. Rug pull. This was supposed to moon, but it did not. Mario B. Rug pull. Rug pull. Rug pull. Rug pull. It is absolutely insane to see the amount of rug pulls in these new coins, man. Nearly a rug pull. Rug pull. Rug pull. I mean, it is ridiculous to see, dude. You've basically got like a 80% chance of being rug pulled if you're jumping in and playing those little tokens right there. So please know that the odds are stacked against you if you are trying to play new meme tokens out on DEX tools. Roulette Wheel is right in that one. There's a lot of scams. Crypto's like buying the shirts outside of the concert venue or buying tamales at the border thinking they're chicken or beef and they're all corn. Mr. Brian, I have no idea where you come up with these analogies, but I like them, man. I think Shib's going to reach 1 cent. The only way Shiba Inu coin reaches 1 cent is if we see hundreds of trillions of Shiba Inu coin burned. At the current rate, I do not see hundreds of trillions of Shiba Inu coin being burned. I do not think that it's impossible, but any of the projects that we've got out there right now will not do it. So we need something created that has not yet been created. It may have been thought of, but it has not yet been created. So it is possible, but definitely not with the current supply. Bro, where's interesting. Let's look at Glowstone, man. I haven't looked at Glowstone in a while. Meme coins are like the meme coins are like the shirts outside the concert, the authentic shirt, but you can make money with it when selling them. Mr. Brian, very good, dude. You can make a lot of money selling them, very quickly as well. Let's go here. Glowstone. We have not looked at that in a while. I believe it was sitting around the $80,000 market cap the last time we looked at it, right? Glan. Ooh, $52,000 market cap. Glan is on its way down right now. Sitting on a $52,000 market cap. Last time we were looking at it, I don't know, it's been a while, man. So it has been coming down over the last month. And I believe it was at about an $80,000 market cap when we were looking at it a while ago. Currently sitting at a $52,055 market cap. Let's see. Did I miss? Why is... Oh, that's not, I don't know why that's not updating now. I might have to log out and log back in to see why my mini feed is not updating. I didn't miss anything, did I? I don't know if I missed anything or not, but for some reason my mini feed is not working right now. All right, brought it back up. Now it's working. Cool. All right, that was easy. Let's see. Shib market cap would have to be greater than the GDP of many. Dude, the Shib market cap would be greater than the GDP of the United States of America. Not at 1 cent, but at 10 cents or $1. It absolutely would. Let's see, guys. Turbo is not a scam. All right, Mr. Whale says Turbo's not a scam. Michael likes Blaze Token. Clay, what's the percentage of rug pulled to ones that made it? DD214, let's go do a quick sample, but let's look at it like an hour or longer away. See, Clay, that is where the regulations need to step in. Well, dude, in some way, man, in some way, okay? That's the crazy part to me. I completely agree with you that it would be nice if they could stop rug pulls. But if it is decentralized, if there's no central authority, that's the tough part. Why do we choose the SEC as being the regulator in an unregulated market? Like, I get it. I don't want rug pulls. But I do want an unregulated, like I want zero barrier to entry. I want anybody and everybody to be able to participate and build and so on. I don't want somebody controlling the game, especially the government. So it is a tough, I mean, it's a tough medium to come across there. But I do, move Dex tools down. All right, we got another one up here. All right, so we'll look at this one. New rug pull or rug pulls compared to non-rug pulls. Let's look at this. Gosh, dude, these three were rug pull just in the first 10 minutes of creation. Holy crap. Let's go down here a little bit and let's see where we are. I don't know if this is live or not. We'll make it live for sure. All right, dude. So we are down here. Are we an hour in? Yes, we're about an hour and 45 minutes in. So just looking at this page right here, we've got, how many we got on the board? Move that up a little. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the board. 3 with zero change. 1 made it an hour long. And 1, 2, 3, 4 were rug pulled. So I would say 40% rug pull. And then 30% no gain, no value, and one of them made it 20%. So that's about 50-50. Coming down here is a different story. All right, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of the 10 are solid gainers with only 1 rug pull. That's not a bad percentage in that sample right there. This sample right here, scroll up slightly to bring some more in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 50% rug pulls. Coming down here, 10% rug pulls. Coming down here, 100% rug pulls, man. We got 1, 2, 3, another 50% rug pulls. So I would say, dang, if you get this far down, look at that, 100% rug pulls right there, man. 100% rug pulls in this area right here. So based on those 5 samples that we just did of 10 random coins that were generated in the last 3 to 4 hours, I would say that 50 to 60% of them were rug pulls. I would probably say that 30% of them are making it, and then another 10% are basically these no changes, nobody's interested in it, and it's not doing anything. So that's basically 3 hours old or less. It seems like, you know, if you go even older, 5 hours, 6 hours, you see even more red in here. So it does look like the odds are greatly, look at this series right here, man. 100% rug pulls after 7 hours there. So I would say if you guys are going to be risking your money in these meme coins here, you're never going to make $1 million by buying and selling. You have to be willing to hold it to 1,000x and so on. But knowing that you're running the risk of like a 70, 80, look at this series right here, 90% rug pull chance on all of these tokens that are 12 hours old. Why hold it? You know, your odds, you guys can just, you can see it in literal red and green. It's black and white as day right here. You know, your chances when a coin is younger, they're great, dude. They move for a minute and then they die. So why don't you go out there? Why don't you make a nice 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 100, 200, 300, 400% gain and just get out? If you're able to do that, you know, you stave off the risk of moving down here to after a coin's been out for an hour and the chances of a rug pull increasing to 70, 80%. So please be aware of that. The longer these coins are out, it does seem like the more of them are rug pulls there. Coming back down, Michael Allen. Thank you very much for the super chat. Shib, Turbo, Blaze, boom, baby. Michael Allen, the most consistent player in the game, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, Michael, to the chat. Glad to have you in here right now, and thank you very much, dude. Elmo, it'll blow your mind, too. Hey, yeah, that's me, man. Dejmian, is that your name? Why is Elmo gonna blow our mind? Simply because of the gain? Because a lot of people come in here, dude, and they're pumping Elmo, and I just want to know why. I mean, you've basically seen 3x gains since it was listed on CoinMarketCap there. It is doing very well. Doesn't seem like a rug pull at the moment. So, you know, it does have a lot going for it. But where are you coming from? Are you coming from like the Elmo Telegram group or some Elmo Discord? Like, why are you excited about Elmo? Let us know. I mean, if you're excited about it for legitimate reasons, cool. If you're just coming from the Telegram group trying to pump it, I mean, it's a little weird, but you guys are strong. You guys are out there actually doing it. I mean, you're coming in, and I see a lot of people pumping Elmo. So I just want to know why, man. Not sell my Shib yet. There you go, emoji. You guys think it's time to sell all my Shib? It's not a crazy amount, but still. Here's the thing, MK, man. I wouldn't sell before it falls through the level of support, okay? I always call this like a confirmation fee, but if you're looking at Shiba Inu coin, it's holding up. It's holding up above this red line, and it's got a decent level of support over the last week, being formed around 850 points per coin. This is a very, very, very critical level right here at 800 points. 797 is what's on the chart, but as you can see, tapping it about 5 months ago, at the beginning of 2023, tapping it last June of 2022, and I mean, we're going to lose the graph. Tapping it back here in 2021 after running up to 3,500 points per coin and pulling back. So this 800 point per coin mark is very significant. Why sell it before it falls through that? Okay? Because you can see what it wants to do is bounce off this level and move higher. It has done it twice. It's actually done it twice in the last, full year. But I'll just go. Back here, you can see that it was floating around this line for quite some time. And Shiba Inu coin kind of, consolidating in the area that we're talking about potentially selling at right now. So it is very strong support, around 700 to 800 points. If it falls below, okay, get concerned. We might be coming back down to test 600 or even 500 points per coin. If it falls below this level, though, that to me is like a critical line in the sand. If it falls below 500 points per coin, dude, you might be testing 100, you might be testing 50, you might be testing 10 points per coin. There's no levels of support below this level right here. And that's what makes it a critical level. So selling as it's approaching a very, very, very strong level of support, you might get down to the 800 here and bounce right off. And you're going to be like, dang, I should have kept it because now we're back up above 1,000 points per coin again. If it does fall through and kind of confirm a falling through of that line, I mean, your next technical level's down at like 500 to 600 points, which would be another 25% decrease. So why ride it down another 25%? Why not just get back in when it falls and touches that technical level? So I don't know if I would necessarily fall in before it confirms its move lower there. Who hasn't clicked the like button yet? I don't know, Sarah, but if they haven't, they should do so. Guys, click the like button. It's because of the 10% burns, Clay. Justin, man, what do the 10% burns look like? I don't know anything about Elmo, so tell me. Does Elmo's got a 10% burn tax? Is that what you're saying here? Or what are we saying about Elmo, man? That's a pretty big tax if that's the case. Let's see what we got if we got Elmo's saying. Whoa! Looks like that domain's not connected to a website. The heck, they got the wrong domain here on CoinMarketCap? Elmo ERC.io is fake news, guys. So I don't know why their website doesn't work, but it doesn't work. Has AMC a chance to run before the next court date? Blackout. Yeah, it could run before the next court date, but here's my thoughts on AMC running right now in anything related to the lawsuit. AMC should run if investors believe the conversion will not take place. AMC will fall if investors believe the conversion will take place. So anything kind of associated with the conversion going through, any news like that comes out before the court date, could cause AMC to fall. Anything that would indicate that the conversion may not go through or be prolonged a little further could cause AMC to run. So that would be my thought process on why AMC would be able to move higher or even lower if it's mentioning the court date and the conversion. We need an ad for the non-clickers. What are we at, guys? If we don't have like 25 likes in here with 30 people, yeah, you're getting an ad. It's just a way of life, man. It's just a way. 18 likes, dude. Oh my god. Guys, click the like button, man. You're absolutely killing me. When's the next AMC court date? Actually, DD214, I don't know when the next AMC court date is. Does anybody in here know when the next AMC court date is? Wasn't me. I just got here. What's going on, Frank? Frank, man, I don't know if you were here yesterday, but happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Frankie. Happy birthday to you. Frank, man, happy birthday. I don't know it was over the weekend, but I don't remember you being in here, and I wanted to sing to you, so there you go. Yes, 10% on all sales. Justin, gotcha. So that's why I could not, I don't know, can't confirm it on their website or anything. For some reason, their website is not working there. That might be the wrong link. No idea. But Elmo up 48% on the day today. It is bouncing back nicely right now. There is a 10%. What's the total tax? Is it a 10% tax that is 100% burns, or is it like a 20% tax and 10% is burned? What do the tokenomics look like on Elmo there? Because, yeah, seemingly a 10% burn tax would burn a lot of the coin. Where we at? I was having a dream that I had a very important appointment in a big skyrise office building. When I went inside, Clay was sitting behind the desk. Kombu. Very interesting, man. How did the meeting go? Was it a good meeting or was it a bad meeting? Now I need to know, Kombu. Drop the shrooms and no one gets hurt, Kombu. Yes, it is true. Because this house is only 2 stories, man. So that's definitely not a skyrise. Supply on 417 million. Moji. Shrooms never hurt nobody. Don't know about that, dude. I'm pretty sure mushrooms kill people. When is it? Oh, so that's Clay. What do you think there Clay, do you think there needs to be a catalyst for Pepe to reach its all-time highs? Ray, interesting question, man. Because I was thinking about that this morning. What does Pepe have left, right? It's got its Binance listing. It's got its KuCoin listing. Coinbase isn't going to be listing it after the nonsense that they shared about it. So we can forget about that. I don't think that these U.S. exchanges are going to want to list anything right now because of the way the SEC is treating them. So what would be a catalyst is my train of thought on it. What would be a catalyst besides people just memeing into it and buying it like they did before? It seems to already have all of the major exchanges listing it. The best thing that I could come up with, okay, is another Elon Musk tweeting out of some Pepe memes. That could clearly drive the price higher. And just a little bit of gain, dude, it's gonna take just a little bit of gains to get people excited and buying in again. So I don't think that it necessarily needs a huge catalyst, right? Like, I don't think that it needs the president to come out and say, we are going to move to Pepe as the reserve currency for the United States of America. Like, I don't think it needs a catalyst like that to do it, but it probably does need something to jolt the price a little bit. Once the price gets jolted, I still think that it's got enough people staring at it and enough people interested in it that it'll kind of take care of itself, and it'll kind of move itself higher based on all the excitement and hype around it. So, yes, I think that it needs one, but it just needs a spark to start the fire. It doesn't need an entire fire to cause it to go higher. Wow, man, that even rhymed. Clay, you ever take a look at the Web3 game tokens, immutable Gala games? Huge market growth predicted in the future. I saw $800 billion market cap in the next 5 years. Any thoughts? Yeah, Lonnie. So I haven't looked at Immutable X. I've seen them before. Gala is something that I've looked at. Here's my thoughts on the gaming tokens, though. All right, I really do think that these guys need to. I don't even know the correct word. I don't know if it's focus or what, because gaming is clearly a huge industry. Now, online gaming, paying to play is it's different. Okay, some people are solely interested in going out and buying a PlayStation 5 game and just playing the game. They don't need to pay to play. They don't need to own any tokens to play and stuff like that. But I do believe, right, that because of the competition in the gaming market, because of esports and all of these electronic gaming tournaments that are out there, because of the craze of working from home and working remotely, I think that the same way that, people want to grow up and play sports, there are those that want to grow up and play video games. Yes, as time goes on, these gaming tokens will be much, much larger, and instead of going out and buying a console game, you can go out, you can buy some of those tokens and play whatever games that those allow you to play. So I don't know if we're there just yet, but if these guys focus down and really tap into a gaming market, that they can create something special. But I don't think we're there yet, man. But I do agree with an $800 billion market cap. I absolutely agree with that. It's just not this year. Was slammed at work yesterday. Never got a chance to look at the market. Dang, Frank. Well, I think yesterday was not that great of a day, so you didn't miss too much, man. Yes, 10% burned. Gone on sales. Justin. Dang it, man. That is a very large burn. So very nice for Elmo with a 10% burn on all of their sales. AMC settlement hearing is June 29th and 30th. So we still got plenty of time before AMC's hearing there. Moji, thank you very much for the AMC update. Absolutely. DD214 saying Moji, thanks. Why is the next big news always a month away? It always is, DD214. And then imagine, we'll probably have no decision made at that hearing, and we'll have to wait another month to see any sort of an outcome from the court case there. Anyone else get in on Homer Simpson coin? 4x over the weekend. Oh my gosh. Kombu. Let's look at Homer Simpson. I am not in on Homer Simpson. Let's see what we got going on here. Elmo doing very good today, guys. Elmo is sitting at 27.19 right now. It is up 53.48% on the day today. Homer Simpson. gosh, dude. Doing a 4x over the weekend, sitting up 21% on the day today. The last 7 days look absolutely beautiful. My goodness. Yeah, Homer, dude. Homer's looking pretty good here. So, you know what? With this graph right here, I would say Homer might be following Pepe. Is Pepe up a little bit today? 1690, 1700, or 170 there. Yeah, 170. Pepe's up a little bit over the last 7 days, too. Yeah, not too bad there. So, Pepe kind of rolling sideways, but up nicely off of those lows there. Been kind of slowing down in terms of volatility. Less volatility is something that can kill these memes, guys. You know, you watch Shiba Inu coin, and Shiba Inu coin back in 2021 used to be wild. You know, moving 10, 20, 30, 40, 50% a day. And then it becomes slow, more stable, and steady in price action. Pepe is doing just that right now. If it does not increase its volatility, these traders may stop trading Pepe. Crazy thing is, look at the volume, man. $332 million, $295 million on centralized exchanges, still doing $37, almost $38 million in decentralized exchange volume. So definite positivity for Pepe right there in terms of volume. And the price back up above 170 points is not bad either. It's just, where is, you know, let's compare it to something like Elmo. All right, Elmo doing $21 million. Oh, that's Homer. Homer doing $21 million. Elmo only doing $639,000 in volume. So a lot of these coins, yes, they can drastically increase if they reach Pepe levels. Coming down here, all the Elmo peeps leave. They may have Moji. They may have AMC to the bottom of the ocean. Ahoo! Frank, AMC may just go to the bottom of the ocean if Adam Aaron gets his way in converting all of the ape shares to AMC shares, because that leaves one very vital question. How can you squeeze the hedge funds if the hedge funds owe more than is reported to be short? Very simple question. It is, I mean, theoretically it could be rhetorical there because I think that the answer is obvious, but, you know, how can you squeeze the hedge funds if they own more shares than they have reported as being shorted? I say reported because some of you guys believe in naked shares and all of that stuff, but naked shares don't have to be covered if nobody ever knows that they exist. So a very interesting question, right? Very interesting question. And if the hedge funds own more shares than they have shorted, it is going to be impossible to squeeze them. Hello all. JD, what's going on, JD? I entered Pepe with $300 a couple of weeks ago and now have over 5,000 in profits from all the meme coins I've been bouncing around. Guys, that right? I mean, Kombu, that is what it's about, man. Making stinking money. Congratulations, dude, on nearly 20xing your portfolio right there. That is absolutely sick. Congratulations on that. And, dude, listen, I know that it might be very enticing because if you 20x that 5K, you're going to turn it into 100,000. But, you know, take whatever approach you want, man. But don't lose that 5,000. Don't lose it in an attempt to in a single transaction, take your 5,000 to 100,000. You don't want to do that, man. You don't want to lose it. So be a little bit more conservative if you want. But love the approach that you took to turning that 300 into $5,000. Danelle is back. What is going on, Danelle? No more damsel in distress. Glad to have you in here, Danelle. Good work, Justin. Very nice, man. Thanks to all the bros. Kombu, man. Thank you very much for being a bro for 7 stinking months. Absolutely love it, dude. And seriously, congratulations on that profit. Don't lose it trying to turn it into 50 grand. Don't lose it trying to turn it into 100 grand. But, you know, maybe step up the conservatism a little bit and keep those gains, dude. Hold on to them. But congratulations, and absolutely, man. 5,000 been going to credit bills. Well, you know, hey, dude, listen. paying off bills, especially if you're talking about credit card bills, right? Dude, if you're paying off credit card bills, you just saved yourself, what, 20+% a year in interest alone? So, dude, you just made yourself another 20% by paying down your bills. Very nicely done, Kombu. And a lot less stress. Don't forget about that part. What do you think about what's going on with Gala right now? What's your takeaway? So, Jim, I actually don't know what's going on with Gala. I just know the price of Gala has been hit pretty hard over the last couple of months. Let's see if we can pull up Gala here. I don't know what's going on with them though, but I know that they've come down in price. So let's look at them over the last couple of months. Over the last week, they've done nice, basically holding steady. Over the last month, we got this up here, right? Yeah. Over the last month, they've gone from about 5 cents down to 3 cents. And they're on their way back down. They're sitting at a level of support right now between 2.5 and 3 cents. But they're on their way back down to the lows that they hit before bouncing higher at the beginning of 2023. I don't know what they have going on in terms of projects, what they've got going on in terms of, new games or anything like that. I will say this. I found it a little strange that the Gala team or the Gala Twitter account or the Gala whatever it was that was posting it, said that they had projects going on with The Rock and Mark Wahlberg. And I don't know if those were very legitimate posts. I believe they were kind of misleading. So I'm a little skeptical of the Gala team right there. But I don't know why the price of Gala has been coming down, other than the fact that people are just, not as excited about these larger coins, and they're moving into meme coins right now. Old Rounder! Thank you, Old Rounder bro, for the mustache. I thank you very much for the mustache. Thank you very much, Old Rounder bro, for the mustache. Absolutely love it, man. And Old Rounder killing it right now. Old Rounder, dude, thank you very much for that. Absolutely appreciate all the super chats, guys. And I really do like that mustache one, so hopefully you guys like that one as well. Old Rounder, thank you very much. MD in the chat. What's going on, MD? Glad to have you in here. Thought Adam Aaron is on the hedgy side, and then we'll have the inside track on any moves for conversion, and we'll likely front run orders. Frank, not necessarily a thought, man. It's, if you look at the evidence, it is fact, not necessarily thought. So if you look at the evidence, AMC, going up to these all-time highs, and Adam Aaron diluting directly to hedge funds that needed AMC, Mudrick Capital, and all of these others. Adam Aaron selling to them and then allowing them to sell at a profit just a couple of days later. Mudrick Capital was one of the first ones. And Terra Capital with his 200 million shares of Ape that he sold to them. There was a couple other ones, and his deal with the gold miner, Highcroft Mining, right? I know the only reason he did that deal with Highcroft Mining was to bail out his hedge fund buddy who got in over his head and was in on a major loss in Highcroft Mining. I would not be surprised if the guy that he bailed out from that was heavily invested into Highcroft Mining, I would not be surprised if that guy didn't liquidate all or some of his position as Highcroft soared up after AMC made that announcement that they were investing $27 million into it, using retail investors as their exit liquidity. So Adam Aaron has a huge track record of not helping retail investors, but yes, 100% on the side of the hedge funds, making sure that the hedge funds get their share and making sure that he bails his hedge fund buddies out as they made bad investments in some dying gold mines and some dying companies there. Yeah, Frank, I don't even think it's a thought, man. I think it's just a fact. Hey, Clay, bro, how much Shiba Inu you have roughly? Just want to see how confident you are with Shib. Crypto con Raul Valadez Reyes, man. Yeah, exactly. So that is one of the reasons, very sorry about this, but that is one of the reasons that I don't necessarily discuss the amount of coins I have in any cryptocurrency. That is also one of the reasons I don't really talk about how much of a single stock that I own. I don't want anybody to be able to gauge their investment based on my investment, right? So I don't want you to think that I am extremely confident in Shiba Inu coin. Therefore, you go out there and you buy more. I don't want you to think that I am extremely skeptical of Shiba Inu coin. Therefore, you go out and you sell some of your Shiba Inu coin. I've not disclosed any of the positions that I have, like in terms of actual quantity or dollar amounts or whatever, simply based on that reason, man. I don't want anybody to judge their position based on my position. I want you to strictly judge it based on how confident you are in that position, not how confident I am in that position. I will say this. Okay, it is not the majority of my positions. It is not the majority of my crypto positions actually locked up in Voyager right now, but was sitting in USDC. So when we get back 35%, of our Voyager holdings, I'm going to be getting back 35% of my USDC that I was holding, because I lost a lot of confidence in the crypto space as Bitcoin fell down through that $30,000 mark back in 2022. I am getting a lot more confident in these meme coins right now because they're triggering some excitement. And that's what I like to see, is investors excited. J-Bones! Oh man, this means next month or potentially this month, we are going to be seeing 2-year member chats. J-Bones, man, thank you very much. Look at that, 23 months. We gotta get, Mr. Simon, Stephanie, bro, and I forget who else was way up there. I know Stephanie, bro, and Mr. Simon were basically at the top. J-Bones up there as well. We got to see if these guys come in with a 24-month member chat. J-Bones, I love it, dude. Ebony, you missed catching a pudgy. It was awesome. John Jay, it was pretty awesome, man. I'm not gonna lie. He's getting better now. I'm just gonna try on keeping him down. 8 weeks, no PT, weight bearing, nada. I have no idea how to wrangle him for this long. I have no idea what we were talking about. DD214, pull out your old desktop. LimeWire still there with all of its viruses in tow. Yes, it probably is. I don't know if we're talking about. I don't know what we're talking about with the PT and all that stuff though. Luke is gonna blow up. I hope. I think so. Mike, I do hope the Terralyn Classic blows up as well, man. Let's see. Hey, Clay, do you think this is just a short pump in the market before a bigger crash, or do you think we're going to moon now? Dino TP. Let me say this, okay? I think that this could be some sort of like a last hurrah, and I think that this could be, short-lived if United States, the European Union, these bigger countries out there come in and ban cryptocurrencies or drive crypto exchanges out of their country. What does that look like? Look at Canada, for example, right now. Canada wasn't a very profitable market for Binance. But Binance completely pulling out of Canada because of the regulations that Canada is now enforcing and because of the regulations that Canada is now putting into practice. United States, all but killing Coinbase, all but killing Kraken, stopping the staking, stopping the rewards, stopping Coinbase from listing any new cryptocurrencies. Regulations right now are stifling the market. And because of that, if we continue to see it, cryptocurrency exchanges may leave. If people don't have access to the crypto anymore, the prices are going to fall drastically. So there's a part of me that is extremely bearish on the regulatory concerns. So I am wondering if it is like one last hurrah. Get your coins now before they outlaw them so that you can hold them through the outlaw and make money on the way back in. Roulette wheel! Thank you very much for the wrecked. Oh. Thank you very much for the wrecked. Oh. Roulette wheel, thank you very much for the wrecked. Oh my gosh, this actually hurts a little bit. Wrecked. Wrecked. Roulette wheel, man, thank you very much for wrecking both my chair and my back on that one. Absolutely. Oh man, I don't even know if I love that super chat or not. That one was throwing me for a loop. Roulette wheel, dude, thank you for wrecking me in front of everybody right now. Thank you very much, man. Really appreciate all the super chats, guys. Even the ones that might break the computer chair. We can get a new one if we break it. Roulette wheel is the man. Let's see. Clear bro. Mochi asked about my husband's surgery. Thus, the 8 weeks of recovery. Woo! Man, nobody wants 8 weeks of recovery. That is a very long time. M&D, hopefully everything is going well with that. And, yeah, dude, if you're going crazy on it, absolutely, believe it. Hopefully it's a very quick 8 weeks. And hopefully it's a very swift recovery with no issues and no problems there. 2 words. A 2-word solution, Emma. Rope and a gag. Tie that bad boy up. I like it. I know Annie. It's her friend Billie Jean that gets under my skin. All I can say is that she's not my girl. Emma D, there you go. The people need control. Mr. Whale, that they do. Do you think someone will ever create a business surrounding making these meme coins valid? For example, an online store that accepts the meme coins. Yes, Mike, I do believe that they will do that. I do believe that they will do that. Is it going to be a big one? I don't know how successful it'll be, but I do believe that people will always exploit the opportunity. Let's see. We would need to get Jay in here to find another chair. Jay. Oh, to fund it. Yes, all right. Now I remember Jay. I'm like, Jay is finding a chair. No, now I remember. Dang it, JB, I forgot about Jay. I actually did. I forgot about Jay. JB, how did you remember Jay, man? Jay, if you're out there, yes, please come back in and fund another chair, man. I remember that dude funded the desk. The dude funded the monitor. The dude funded my chairs. The dude is funding everything. Get Jay back in here, guys. Texas placed the law, no CBDCs. Well, I hope there are no central bank digital currencies, but we know that the federal laws supersede any state laws that are out there. Why doesn't YouTube post dates on streams? I actually have no idea. I could put a date on the stream, like right here. I could put a little date on there if I wanted to. But oh, Dark Bro, you scared me. My goodness. Oh, Dark Bro, don't scare me like that. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat, man. Coming in here and scaring me. Dark Bro, it's not nice when you do that to me. I don't want to be scared. I do not want to. Dark Bro, thank you very much. Jay funded the whole set. Jay did fund the whole setup, man. 2 very nice monitors right here. I got a new stick of RAM downstairs that was not funded by Jay, but the 2 sticks of RAM that are in there right now, the computer, yes. The graphics card, I did have that one. Jay did fund the entire setup, man. Golly bum, dude. I can't believe I forgot about Jay. That was the end of 2021, right? That was end of 2021 when this dude was like, get this dude out of a chair and into a different chair. You guys remember I used to just stream down on the... Dude, I used to stream without the laptop for a while. Then I started streaming on the laptop with the camera. I used to just stream on the phone. Those days were wild, man. JB, thank you for reminding me of the... What do we call them? Good old days. Emily, I hear ya. We're at almost 29. That was great. It was, JB. It was great. Forget the WEF. Yeah, Mr. Will, I agree with you. Guys, somehow it is 1 o'clock the morning. You streamed from Citadel's lobby. Yes, I was. JB, man, I can't... Dude, my living room does not look like Citadel's lobby, but those people love to hate on my setup. I remember that. Guys, get your names in the chat right now. We're going to be doing some shout-outs. And we will not be streaming from Citadel's lobby. We're going to be streaming from the purple and green jail cell later this afternoon. Go have some lunch. Go get some work done. Whatever you guys got to do. Enjoy your afternoons. And we will be back after the shout-outs. Danelle, enjoy your afternoon. Mr. Whale, Danelle, Mr. Whale, Moji, enjoy it. Mr. Whale, Dark Bro, enjoy your afternoon, man. JB, thank you very much for reminding me about Jay. Emma D, Mr. Whale, Danelle, JB, Mr. Whale, Emma D, Dark Bro, JB, Moji. We got Mr. Whale, Ray, JB, Patrick. If you're still in here, peace out to you. Mr. Whale, Danelle, have a great afternoon. Dino TP, see you later. Old Rounder Bro, adios to you. And I appreciate the mustache. Thank you very much for the super chat earlier, Old Rounder. Back to the future, man. See you later, Mr. Brian. Dante, see you later. Patrick, see you later. Peace out to you. DD214, Mr. Whale, Moji, see you later. Emma D, John J, thank you very much for the rope of pudgy. What was it called? The ketchup pudgy? I liked it. Mike, see you later. Emma D, Crypto Cone, Raul Valdez, Reyes, man. Enjoy your afternoon, and you guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.